Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to run a program as system account in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type PSEXEC download in browser search bar. Click PSEXEC. Click Download PS Tools. Show in folder and extract downloaded file. Simply copy PSEXEC file and paste it into Windows System 32 folder. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type PSEXEC space -SID space. Type your program name. Example program name used in this tutorial is regedit.exe. Click Agree. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.